Finally, we all know that Capgemini just announced software engineer accelerator role, and there is a three role: 4.25, 5.5, 7.5 LP is the package. But the thing is, there is many confusion that how to use the resume, what type of resume we have to use, because there is shortlisting and we don't have to let this opportunity to go, because 4 to 7.5 LP is a very big opportunity, and plus 23, 24, 25 batches eligible. This is the great or big thing ever. So please don't use this exact resume. We all know that, you all know that online learning YouTube channel founder is saying that you can easily use this format. Yeah, you can easily use this format, but there is something you have to modify, and I will tell you exact resume, because don't use exact resume, just you have to do the some modification. देखो जिसने ये सबमिट कर दिया कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, there is no problem. This is exact resume you can easily use as my experience, because I having 3 years of experience in my resume and I know how to update the resume, what to put in the top of the resume. So please watch video till end. I am giving you 100% guarantee. If you use that type of resume which I am telling you, there is 100% shortlisting. But we all know 31st March last date hai, because 2 months we have, and this is going on a phase wise biggest opportunity of 2026, means year 26, not a batch. So what to do? Click on apply now. First I am giving my email ID. So I am giving my not existing, this is my new, suppose this is my new email ID. Why new email ID? Because I have never applied in Capgemini ever. मैंने आज तक नहीं किया. This is first time I am applying. So I am using any email ID. But if you are using your previous email ID in which you applied in Capgemini before, so please use new email ID. Believe me, this will give you benefit. Please use new email ID. So they are saying that please update your फॉर्मेट करना पड़ेगा मुझे, तो क्योंकि मुझे तो पासवर्ड याद नहीं है. लेट्स गो. So I successfully logged in, and if you are seeing that there is no error, I am showing that I am not eligible, because I am eligible. So if you click on eligibility criteria, so you scroll down, like I am getting the all green checkbox. Why? Because I am from 23 batch, that's why I am eligible, because 23, 24 and 25 batch is only eligible. 26, 22 is not eligible. So if you see the hiring workflow, I am not going to tell you this, because in next video I am uploading very soon new test pattern which is already announced by Capgemini. So there is a DigiLocker which is compulsory. ठीक है, I have to link my Aadhaar card with the, तो ये चीज़ें कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो मैंडेटरी हैं. So let's proceed. Click on apply, and 31st is the last date. If you see that 31st is the last date, so we have 2 months. So click on use self-made resume, because I have my experienced resume. ठीक है, so I am uploading that thing. So proceed to apply, but not proceed to apply. यार मेरी फोटो ये वाली जो तुम देख रहे हो, ये बहुत पुरानी फोटो है, तो इसको हम री-अपलोड करते हैं, फिर प्रोसीड करते हैं. So please use this type of photo which I uploaded. फ्रंट फेस होना चाहिए, साइड फेस जो मैंने पहले देखा तुम लोगों ने मेरी फोटो वैसी बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए, वरना ये रिजेक्ट कर देंगे. ठीक है, क्लिक ऑन प्रोसीड टू. सो हियर यू कैन सी दैट योर रेज्यूमे इज देयर, बिकॉज दिस इज प्रीवियस रेज्यूमे. यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन क्रॉस. ठीक है, फिर तुमको एक बार अटैच करना होगा. आई थिंक यहाँ पे ले नहीं रहा है. सो वी हैव टू गो to the my profile section, and please scroll down. If you see here that you will get to see the resume. First you have to upload your updated resume, remove this previous one, delete karo isko, add a new one. Click on add a new one and click here to upload. So finally I successfully uploaded my resume. If you go to the back, then you have to again click on apply. Sorry for that, use self-made and proceed to apply. So here you can see only one RF resume is written there, so you have to click on that. Overall experience, I have 3, so I am putting only 2.5 because this is my full time. And notice period you have to give immediate joining. ठीक है, immediate. And gap in education, click on 0. Specific gender, click on male. Gap on education, click on no active backlog, click on no, click on no. Have you applied any other job role previous in Capgemini, click on no. And have you worked in Capgemini previously, click on no. Click on apply. So if you see here, you have to give the checkbox, and don't read this because this is not read करने के लायक नहीं है. Click on proceed. So Aadhaar card verification is mandatory for all students. Click on buy, proceed, verify Aadhaar card. So you have to give your Aadhaar card first. So I am giving my Aadhaar cards and filling captcha, and then I will show you. So clicking on next button, if you see that I am receiving the OTP on my registered phone number. ध्यान रहे, जैसे ही तुम अपना आधार कार्ड डालोगे, जो आधार कार्ड में नंबर लिंक है, in that phone number you will receive the code. ठीक है, तो तुम नंबर नहीं डालोगे, तुम्हें सिर्फ आधार कार्ड डालना, उसके बाद एक कोड रिसीव होगा, ध्यान रखना. So you have to don't refresh the page. ठीक है, you have to wait, but I did not receive anything. So just wait. Let's see what will happen. I did not receive the OTP, so I am clicking on resend OTP. Clicking on continue button, let's see what will happen. So I have to give my DigiLocker registered pin. If you did not have, then please forget that. Click on continue. So this is incorrect pin, so I have to forget first. So I successfully forget my pin and registered with a new. If you see that issued document like आधार कार्ड है, यहाँ पे सब में ये एक्सेस कर देते हैं हम. So click on select all. We have to give the access to this to showcase our Aadhaar card or PAN verification record and click on allow. Just wait for the few seconds. It's connecting. So DigiLocker authorized हो चुका है successfully. So you don't have to do anything. Just go back and this is showing the verification progress. If you are following those steps which I already told you, then you will never see any error. So don't worry, it's taking time. So that time I am showing you the resume format. ठीक है, watch video till end. So if you see here, this is the resume format you can easily use, but I am saying that please give as it is details and photograph at the top of the resume. ठीक है, but if you are having the experience section, like if you are even having 1 day internship or 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, then you have to put at the top of the resume experience section. ठीक है, keep in mind here you have to give the experience section, then skill, which is very correct, then you have to put the project part here, and after that you have to put like यहाँ पे तुम्हें project करना है. ठीक है, after that there will be education, then there will be in the last like and then in the last you have to give your training certification, then your extra curriculum at the last of the resume. तो format क्या होने वाला है, I am showing you. If you are having the experience, then you have to give the experience first. In the second you have to give the skill, then project. Keep in mind this is the exact resume format I am telling you. Then training and certification, then extra curriculum. यहाँ पे मैं C डाल दे रहा हूँ, समझ जाना, extra curriculum. But if you don't have an experience, then skip this part and follow exact same from here. Skill, then project, then training certification, then extra curriculum. But the at top of the resume, this is same. This will be same for all, like details and photograph. That's the 100% resume shortlisting. resume होने वाला ये जाके अभी पहले अपडेट कर लो, फिर उसके बाद एज इट इज़ जैसे मैंने स्टेप बाय स्टेप रजिस्ट्रेशन बताया है बिल्कुल सेम वैसे रजिस्टर करना है. इट विल टेक टाइम टू वेरीफाई, सो डोंट वरी, जस्ट लीव इट, डोंट रिफ्रेश द पेज, just wait for the verification must be complete. ठीक है, and use this format. Please update your resume, then follow the exact step which I already showed you, step by step verification or step by step registration. Verification takes time, or even if you did not get the OTP at the once, please wait up to 10 minutes. After that you can easily click on resend OTP. OTP will definitely come. ठीक है, after clicking on resend OTP, then you can easily give your OTP and please verify your आधार कार्ड और डिजी लॉकर. तो ये थोड़ा नहीं बहुत टाइम ले सकता है. ठीक है, काफ़ी लोग अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, तो डोंट वरी. सो इफ़ यू हैविंग एनी क्वेरी रिगार्डिंग registration, because already showed you the updated format template, resume template, and already showed you the step by step registration, even verification with the DigiLocker. So don't worry. अगर इसके बाद भी कुछ भी तुमको वैसे तो नहीं आने वाला 100%, I am sure that you will never see the error while registering or while verifying if you are following the exact way which I take the steps. ठीक है, but if you even having the बट तब भी अगर तुमको यहाँ पे एरर आता है, सो डोंट वरी, जस्ट कमेंट डाउन, आई विल चेक. तो इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर विथ यू न्यू पैटर्न, एग्जैक्ट पैटर्न विद द एग्जैक्ट टाइमलाइंस प्लस विद एग्जैक्ट टॉपिक्स विच विल बी आस्क्ड इन एन ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट. सो डोंट वरी, check out PDF and please check out the PDF in the description box, which is the preparation PDF of Capgemini. And please like this video, do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.